Hello, let's solve this problem. If M is a 2 by 2 matrix, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and minus 1 by 2, right? Then find M power 20, 22, right? So let's start. As you can see, M, right, is a everything is related to 3 by 2, right? As you can see, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, and 1 by 2. So let's do one thing here. 5 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. And what about minus 3 by 2? It's just a factor of minus 1, right? Then 3 by 2 and 1, right? Then this will be minus 3 plus 2 by 2. Minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1 by 2. Fine. Now let's do one thing here. Let's split this matrix M as 3 by 2, 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. Here it's minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, right? Plus here it's 1, here it's 0, here it's 0, and the last part is 1. So the matrix M can be written as M equal to, if you take 3 by 2 factor out of this matrix, first matrix, then this will be 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1, 0, 0, which is identity matrix. So let's make a guess of this guy. Let's consider this matrix as A, and this is, it's identity matrix. Then M is I plus 3 by 2 into A, right? Let's figure out this A square. We are going to use this A square in the next simplification to find out M power 2022. So A square is 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1 and minus 1. This will be the matrix multiplication for this case is 1 ones, minus 1, 1 ones, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. So this becomes 0, 0, 0, and 0, right? We need to figure out M power 2022, that's given in here, right? That's the question. So, but M here it is. If you want to figure out for M power n, then this will be I plus 3 by 2 whole power a into n, right? This is the formula for a plus b whole power n, right? What is the formula for a plus b whole power n? This will be nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus and so on, right? Which is nc0 is 1 a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b1 plus nc2 a power n minus 2 b2 plus and so on. Fine. Now, as you can see here, this case will be, right? This case here it will be, what is A here? A is I and power n, I mean whatever it will be. Here n is 2022, right? That is 1 plus NC1 is n, right? Here 2022. A power n minus 1, here A is identity, then it will be 1. Then B power 1. B is 3 by 2 into A. Fine. This is n is 2022 C2. A power n minus 2 is identity of n minus 2, that is 2020. Then it will be I. Next is 3 by 2 into A square plus similarly 2022 C3 3 by 2, sorry, this will be 3 by 2 A square, right? Plus and so on, right? So as you can see here, this third term here, it is consisting of A square, and we have derived this A square as 0. So this term will be 0, and the next term here it is A cube, which can be written as A square into A. If A square is 0, then this will be 0. Similarly, A4 and A5, that is the next higher order terms will not contribute to the A plus B whole power n, that is m power 22. So our case m power 2022 is I plus 2022 into 3 by 2 into A. Fine. Then this is 1001 plus 2022 into 3 by 2 into A. Here it is. A is 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. A is 1 1 minus 1 minus 1, right? 3 by 2 into this is 1 1 minus 1 minus 1, right? So m power 2022 is 1001 plus 2 ones, then this will be 3033 into 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. So this will be 1001 plus of 3033 3033 minus 3033 minus 3033. Fine. That is finally m power 2022 is, this become 3034 3033. This will be minus 3033 minus 3032. This is our final solution.